Good morning, student of class 4. I am your computer teacher Sonji sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start a new chapter which is working with MS Word 2016. This is chapter number 3, working with MS Word 2016. So move on to the topic. Here you can see the content page of this chapter. We will learn about these 4 topics: advanced features of MS Word 2016, formatting a document, printing a document, and keyboard shortcut keys. Okay, today we will discuss about the advanced features of MS Word 2016. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell all of you that I hope that all of you have already written and learned the first 2 chapters question and answer, inside and outside question answer, and also write the question answer on your computer copy. The computer copy has carried some marks, so all of you should write all the question answer on your computer copy. Okay, so let's start today's discussion. Here you can see the basics of MS Word 2016. MS Word is a word processing software. Okay, MS Word is a word processing software. MS Word is a software that helps us to create, edit, and format document on a computer. It has various features to beautify the document. That means when we need to create a document, we can easily edit and format the document by the help of the MS Word 2016. Okay, and it has a various features to beautify the documents also. Okay, that means हम लोग जब भी कोई डॉक्यूमेंट को एडिट करना चाहते हैं, क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, तो हम लोग MS Word जो सॉफ्टवेयर है उससे कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड the MS Word has various types of features. That's why we can easily edit, create, or beautify our documents. Okay, next is open MS Word 2016 software by following the given step. That means how to open MS Word 2016 on our computer. Okay, these are the 5 steps to we follow to open MS Word 2016. First is click on Windows icon. Okay, click on Windows icon. Next, type MS Word in search bar. Next, click on the type MS Word in the search bar. Next, spot MS Word 2016 in search option and click on it. You will get a window with the various option of Word document. Click the blank document and it will be open. That means these are the 5 steps to be followed to open MS Word 2016. Okay, MS Word 2016. You need to do this on your computer. Okay, otherwise you won't understand. So move on to the next. Here you can see the components of MS Word 2016. The components of MS Word 2016. Here you can see the picture. There is all the components is shown here in the picture. Okay, first is title bar. Display the name of the document. Here you can see the title bar. Title bar displays the name of a document or title bar. Okay, title bar. Next is quick access toolbar. Has the shortcut to the most commonly used commands. Here you can see the quick access toolbar here. Okay, most users commands are shown here. That means most users command means redo, undo, cut, copy, paste. Okay, next is file tab. Here you can see the file tab. Okay, file tab option is here. Next is ribbon, a group of toolbar. Okay, this all the here you can see the ribbon, all the toolbar in the section of ribbon. Okay, here you can see all the toolbar is in the ribbon section. Next is workspace, the white area where we type the text is called workspace. Okay, the blank space, the white area is called the workspace. Next is scroll bar, is to go up or down on a computer. Scroll bar, here you can see the scroll bar in the side, scroll bar. Okay, this is used to move the page up and down. Next is ruler to measure the width and the height of the page in a document. Next is status bar, give the information about a document. Okay, about a document. Next is cursor, the blinking line on the workspace to identify where the type letter appears. Okay, where the type letter appears. Here you can see the blinking line. Here you can see the blinking line cursor, the blinking line on the workspace area to identify where the टाइप लेटर्स अपीयर, मतलब कि कर्सर जो है एक ब्लिंकिंग लाइन है और हम लोग कहाँ से जो टाइप करना स्टार्ट करेंगे उसको आइडेंटिफाई करता है ये कर्सर, ओके, ब्लिंकिंग लाइन. So these are the main components of MS Word 2016. So move on to next. Here you can see advanced features of MS Word 2016. First is redo and undo. The undo option in quick access toolbar is used to cancel the recent command. That means हम लोगों ने जो भी काम किया है उसको cancel करने के लिए हम लोग undo का use करते हैं. Okay. Next is redo. The redo option used to cancel the effects of undo. That means अगर हम लोगों को कुछ भी गलती हो जाए, हम लोगों ने undo कर लिया है, उसके बाद दोबारा से उसको लाना है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, redo. Okay. So for example, if you have a erased a text by mistake, that means हम लोगों ने कोई टेक्स्ट लिखा है उसको इरेज कर दिया है, क्लिक ऑन द undo ऑप्शन और यूज़ द कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट कीज Ctrl Z. ओके, Ctrl Z इज़ द शॉर्टकट की ऑफ undo. Ctrl Z इज़ द शॉर्टकट की ऑफ undo टू रिट्रीव द टेक्स्ट. दैट मीन्स हम लोग Ctrl Z प्रेस करेंगे, वो टेक्स्ट दोबारा से चला आएगा. नेक्स्ट इज इफ़ यू वांट टू गो बैक टू द चेंज मेड, क्लिक ऑन द रीडू ऑप्शन द और यूज़ द कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट की Ctrl Y. Ctrl Y is stands for the shortcut key of redo. Okay, Ctrl Y is the shortcut key of redo and redo is used to cancel the effects of undo. Okay, हम लोगों ने कुछ भी undo कर दिया है, मतलब Ctrl Z से undo कर दिया है, लेकिन दोबारा से उसको लाना है तो हम लोगों को Ctrl Y प्रेस करना होगा. Okay, next is to understand it further, let us see the following example. Type the sentence as given in the picture below in MS Word and select it either using the mouse or the keyboard. Here you can see the picture. We type here some a sentence and we select either using the mouse or the keyboard. Okay, Control A, or if you use Control A to select all select. Okay, the shortcut key of all select option is Control A. Okay, so next point is press any key, you will see that everything you had typed is erased. Okay, press any key, that means हम लोग जब भी कोई भी की को प्रेस करेंगे उसके बाद पूरा सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा. उसके बाद कोई भी की अगर हम लोग प्रेस करेंगे तो ये जो लिखा हुआ है हम लोगों ने सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है ये ऑटोमेटिकली चला जाएगा. ओके, नाउ प्रेस Ctrl Z और undo आइकॉन टू सी द इरेज टेक्स्ट हैज़ बीन रिटर्न. दैट मीन्स फिर से हम लोग जब Ctrl Z प्रेस करेंगे दोबारा से वो वापस आ जाएगा. ओके, पहले तो क्या करना होगा, हम लोगों को एक सेंटेंस लिखना होगा, उसके बाद उसको सिलेक्ट करना होगा. सिलेक्ट करने के लिए हम लोग Ctrl A भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्या करना होगा, कोई भी की प्रेस करना होगा, कोई भी की फ्रॉम द कीबोर्ड. ओके, उसके बाद क्या होगा कि जो सेंटेंस होगा वो चला जाएगा. ओके, इरेज हो जाएगा. उसके बाद क्या करना होगा, हम लोगों को Ctrl Z प्रेस करना होगा या तो undo आइकॉन को प्रेस करना होगा. उसके बाद वो जो सेंटेंस हम लोगों का इरेज हो गया था वो वापस से दोबारा चला आएगा. ओके, सो मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट. Here you can see advanced features of MS Windows, checking spelling, grammar. Okay, checking spelling and grammar. When we type some word in MS Word, some words get underlined with the red line, whereas some are the underlined in the blue line. Okay, here you can see some is red line and some is blue. That means the spelling is error. Okay, spelling error. That means हम लोगों ने कोई भी स्पेलिंग अगर गलती किया है तो हम वहाँ पे रेड लाइन होगा. ओके, यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि ब्लू लाइन है, यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि रेड लाइन है. रेड लाइन मीन्स द स्पेलिंग एरर और ब्लू लाइन मीन्स ग्रामेटिकल एरर. ओके, सो this because of MS Word keeps checking the text you type. It gives a red wavy line below the misspelled word and blue line below the word with the grammatical errors. That means हम लोगों का जब भी कोई लिखना होगा MS Word पे तो जो स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक होगा उसके नीचे रेड लाइन होगा और जो ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक होगा उसमें क्या होगा, ब्लू लाइन होगा. राइट क्लिक ऑन अंडरलाइन वर्ड एंड ए लिस्ट ऑफ सजेशन विल बी डिस्प्लेड. चूज द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग और ग्रामर फ्रॉम द सजेशन. हियर यू कैन सी when we right click on the word, the correct spell word is suggested, okay, by the computer. Okay, then we can choose any of them which is correct. Okay, हम लोग जब भी इसके ऊपर राइट क्लिक करेंगे तो एक नया विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा. उसके बाद वहाँ पे जो सही वर्ड होगा उसको सजेस्ट करेगा, उसमें से हम लोगों को चूज़ करके सही वर्ड लिखना है. ओके, दिस इज़ द मेन स्टेप and F7 is the keyboard shortcut for checking the spelling and grammar. We use the shortcut key of F7. Okay, F7 is the keyboard shortcut key for checking spelling and grammar. Next is, you can also do a spell check for your entire document in one go by following 4 steps given below. That means these are the steps to check our spelling or grammar mistake. Click on the review tab, click on the spelling grammar icon, sign on a proofing group. Okay, here you can see the option. Here is the option ABC spelling and grammar. We need to click this option. Okay, we need to click this option. So after the we click this option, you will see the dialog box showing suggestion misspelled word. Here you can see the dialog box. Okay, here you can see the dialog box showing the misspelled word. Okay, and we need to click the correct option to rectify this spelling. Okay, so next is choose the correct option and click the change under the suggestion box. हम लोग को वहाँ से चूज़ करना होगा सही वर्ड, उसके बाद क्या करना होगा कि ओके प्रेस करना होगा. चूज़ इग्नोर वंस और इग्नोर ऑल टू कैंसिल द सजेशन. दैट मीन्स हम लोग अगर हम लोग को चेंज नहीं करना है, जैसे मान लिया कि कोई भी नेम हो गया, नेम के नीचे ऑटोमेटिकली रेड लाइन होता है, उसको हम लोगों को इग्नोर करना है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इग्नोर भी प्रेस कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर द मेन स्टेप्स टू do a spell check on your entire document. Okay, so move on to next. Here you can see some question inside question answer following the chapter. First is write the steps to start MS Word 2016. I have already discussed about this question. Click on the Windows icon, type MS Word in the search box, spot the MS Word in search box option and click on it. You will get a window with various option of MS Word documents. Click on the blank document and it will be open. Next is write the different components of the MS Word. Here you can see the different component of MS Word: title bar, access toolbar, file tab, ribbon, workspace, scroll bar, ruler, status bar, cursor. Okay, these are all the important components of MS Word. So next is write the steps to check a spell check on your entire document. Okay, few seconds ago I already have discussed about this, so all of you need to read the book carefully for understand this topic, and also practice on your computer. Okay, also practice on your computer, otherwise you won't understand these features. So today I am ending my discussion here. I will continue the chapter in my next video. So till then, goodbye, take care and thank you.